Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase iPhone battery health. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The battery health on your iPhone device tends to decrease over the time throughout the years that you use your iPhone. The first thing to do is to go to Settings and tap it open. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Battery. If you tap on the Battery Health option, you'll be able to see the maximum capacity of your iPhone battery. On the same page, you'll be able to see an option that says Optimized Battery Charging. Make sure that you enable the option and turn it green. Once you enable this option, you can reduce battery aging, and doing so will help you increase your iPhone battery health, which might decrease over time once you make this change. Now, the next thing to do is to go back and from this page, scroll down and you'll be able to see the application that uses your battery displayed on the screen. Applications like TikTok, Facebook and Instagram uses most of your battery power. So if you're not using the application, you can simply close off the application in order to increase your battery health. Another thing you could do is to simply go to your settings and scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Scroll down to Suggestions from Apple and make sure to disable all of the button if you don't use Siri and search option. Since the Siri and search uses more battery power from your iPhone, if you no longer use it, you can disable all of these options. The next thing you can do is to go to your settings and from the settings menu, tap General, go to Background App Refresh option and make sure to turn off the app you don't use all the time in order to increase your battery health. Once you make these changes, you might be able to help your iPhone increase its battery health. Some other fixes you could try out is to make sure not to let your battery percentage to reach 0 before you charge your iPhone. Do not keep your iPhone under direct sun or heat. Doing so will decrease your battery health. Those were some of the fixes and tips that you could try out in order to increase your iPhone battery health. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.